Are you looking for the best XLR microphones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best XLR microphones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Shure SM7B Microphone. The Shure SM7B is a versatile professional dynamic microphone widely trusted for music production, vocal recording, podcasting, and streaming. Featuring a unidirectional cardioid polar pattern, it captures clean, natural sound while rejecting unwanted off-axis noise, making it ideal for studio vocals and close miking instruments. Its smooth, flat, wide-range frequency response delivers exceptional clarity for both speech and music. Their microphone includes advanced electromagnetic shielding to reduce hum from computer monitors and studio equipment. Designed with an air suspension shock isolation system and built-in pop filter, the SM7B minimizes mechanical noise and breathiness for crystal-clear broadcasts and recordings. It connects via a professional XLR interface, offering superior control and sound quality when paired with an audio interface. The package includes a close-torque windscreen, foam windscreen, locking yoke mount, and switch cover plate, ensuring durability and flexible use in various recording environments. This microphone is a staple in top podcasting studios and among leading vocalists worldwide. Number 2. Shure SM58 Pro XLR Microphone. The Shure SM58 is the industry-standard dynamic vocal microphone trusted by performers around the world for its exceptional vocal reproduction. It features a tailored frequency response with a brightened mid-range that delivers clear and present vocals, making it ideal for both live performances and studio recordings. Their microphone's unidirectional cardioid polar pattern effectively isolates vocals while minimizing background noise, ensuring your voice stands out. Built to endure the toughest conditions, the SM58 has a durable spherical mesh grille and a built-in pop filter to reduce wind and breath sounds, along with a break-resistant swivel stand adapter for reliable use on the road. Versatile and dependable, the SM58 is perfect for isolating vocals from instruments, providing crisp, warm sound every time. The package includes the SM58 microphone, a swivel stand adapter, and a storage bag for easy transport and protection. Number 3. FIFINE Dynamic Microphone. The FIFINE Amplitank K688 is a versatile dynamic microphone designed for streaming, studio recording, podcasting, vocal, video creation, and broadcasting. Built with durable metal construction, it offers clean sound quality with a high SPL of 130 dB and a unidirectional cardioid pattern that effectively reduces background noise such as computer fans or hard drives. Featuring both USB and XLR outputs, it provides flexibility for use with laptops, desktops, mixers, audio interfaces, or sound cards. The XLR connection enhances audio richness and reduces circuit noise, while the USB connection allows for quick, plug-and-play recording without additional software, perfect for Windows and Mac users. Their microphone includes convenient front panel tap-to-mute and gain control for easy volume adjustments during use, along with a 3.5mm headphone jack for real-time monitoring and headphone volume control, available on USB mode only. It comes with a shock mount and windscreen to reduce plosives and vibrations, ensuring clean, natural audio. Note that the arm stand, mic stand, and XLR cable are not included, and some functions are exclusive to the USB connection. This microphone is ideal for those seeking professional-grade audio with convenient features for versatile recording environments. Number 4. FDUCE Dynamic Microphone. The FDUCE SL40 Plus is a professional-grade dynamic microphone designed for streaming, studio recording, vocal, video creation, podcasting, and gaming. It features an upgraded core supporting high-resolution audio up to 96 kHz, 24-bit, and uses a unidirectional cardioid pattern to effectively reduce environmental noise, ensuring clear and pure vocal capture. Equipped with voice isolation technology and digital audio processing, the microphone minimizes background noise and offers audio equalization and mute functions for a clean sound experience. The dual USB Type-C and XLR outputs provide versatile connectivity options, allowing easy plug-and-play use with laptops, audio interfaces, mixers, and sound cards without needing an additional preamplifier. The minimalist design includes a one-key mute button, which in USB mode can also switch between microphone and headphone volume control for real-time monitoring and gain adjustment. The SL40 Plus comes as a complete kit with a sturdy all-metal boom stand, table mount clamp, and 2M USB cable, allowing easy angle and height adjustments to enhance recording convenience and reliability. Number 5. MAONO Microphone. The MAONO A04H is a professional USB condenser microphone kit designed for podcasting, streaming, singing, Zoom meetings, audiobooks, YouTube content creation, music production, recording, Skype chats, voiceover, and gaming. It features a high-resolution 192 kHz, 24-bit professional sound chipset and a 16mm electric condenser transducer that delivers crystal-clear audio with strong bass response. The USB plug-and-play design requires no extra drivers or sound cards, making setup quick and easy across various systems, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. The kit includes studio-grade wired headphones with 50mm large aperture drivers and active noise reduction for focused monitoring, along with ergonomic, foldable, and comfortable earcups designed for long sessions. Their microphone has a cardioid polar pattern for clear voice capture and reduces background noise effectively. It comes complete with an adjustable scissor arm stand, metal shock mount, pop filter, foam windscreen, table mounting clamp, USB cable, and adapters for 3.5mm and 6.35mm connections, offering versatile compatibility with computers, mixers, and other audio devices.